Welcome to Money Goals Mastery. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of digital products, what they are, their benefits, and how you can create and sell them to build a thriving online business in 2024. If you're looking to turn your passion into profit with minimal overhead costs, stick around because this video is packed with actionable insights. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss valuable tips for growing your business online. First things first, what exactly are digital products? Simply put, digital products are intangible goods that exist in digital form and can be sold or distributed online. Unlike physical products, digital products don't require manufacturing, shipping, or inventory management, making them incredibly scalable. Some common examples of digital products include eBooks, online courses, templates, software, apps, digital artwork, and even music. These products can be downloaded or accessed online instantly after purchase, which makes them highly convenient for both sellers and buyers. Now, why are digital products so popular and why should you consider selling them? Let's break down a few key benefits. Low overhead costs, unlimited scalability, passive income potential, global reach. 1. First, there are low overhead costs. You don't need to worry about warehouses, production lines, or shipping costs. 2. Second, unlimited scalability. Whether you sell one copy or 1,000, there are no extra costs after the initial creation. 3. Then there's passive income potential. Once your digital product is made, you can continue earning from it while you sleep. 4. And finally, digital products give you access to a global audience. With the right marketing strategy, anyone with an internet connection can be your customer. Now let's look at the different types of digital products you can create and sell. The possibilities are endless, but here are some of the most popular categories. Educational content, online courses, ebooks, webinars, and coaching sessions. Educational content is one of the most lucrative areas as people are always looking to learn new skills. Software and apps, tools, plugins, mobile apps, and SaaS products. Software is another digital goldmine with many entrepreneurs making millions by developing useful tools for niche audiences. Creative assets, stock photos, digital artwork, and music. If you're an artist, musician, or photographer, selling your digital creations can turn your passion into profit. Templates, resources, website themes, social media templates, business documents. These are highly in demand by freelancers, marketers, and small business owners looking to save time. So, how do you get started with your own digital product? Here's a simple process to follow. Identify a niche. Research audience needs. Choose your product type. Create the product. Market sell. 1. Identify a niche that you're passionate about. This could be anything from fitness to personal finance as long as it's something you're knowledgeable about. 2. Research what your audience needs. Look for problems they face and how your digital product can solve them. 3. Decide what type of product will best deliver value. Will it be an ebook, an online course, a template, or software? 4. Then create your product. There are plenty of tools like Canva for design, Udemy or Teachable for courses, and Scrivener for writing ebooks. 5. Finally, market and sell. Use social media, email marketing, or online marketplace like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website to distribute your product. Where can you sell your digital products? Here are some top platforms to get started. Etsy, great for templates, digital art, and planners. Gumroad, perfect for ebooks, software, and memberships. Shopify, ideal if you want full control over your storefront. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, best for selling ebooks to a massive audience. Udemy and Teachable for online courses and educational content. Creating a digital product is only half the battle. You need to market it effectively to drive sales. Here are some strategies to get the word out. Leverage social media, use Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and LinkedIn to promote your product. Run paid ads, Facebook ads, and Google ads can help you target specific audiences. Email marketing, build an email list and offer freebies to attract subscribers who may later purchase your product. Content marketing, create blogs, videos, or podcasts related to your niche and promote your product through valuable content. Collaborations, affiliates, partner with influencers or affiliate marketers to reach a broader audience. So are you ready to launch your own digital product empire? With the potential for passive income, low overhead, and the ability to reach a global audience, now is the perfect time to get started. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and share it with anyone who could benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on entrepreneurship and digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.